Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we have a question which says, a binary operation is defined on the set of real numbers by A star or triangle B equals to the root of A plus root of B, or in parentheses, multiplying root of A minus root of B in another parenthesis. So we'll find the value of x if x triangle 2 is equal to 1. So this is a very interesting question, and I'm going to walk you through how to solve it systematically without any challenges. So to start with, we have A triangle B. So let me rewrite it. A triangle B being equal to, we have parenthesis root of A plus root of B. Then we have root of A once again minus root of B. And they said we should solve with what? We should find x if x triangle 2 is equal to 1. Okay. So by method of comparison, we have A being x and B being 2. So I'm just going to substitute it into this, and what we get, we equate it to this one. So let me walk you through. So now we have A triangle B being equals to root of A. You know our A is x, so root of x plus root of B. We know our B to be 2, multiplying root of x again minus root of 2, as we've established already. Now we have A triangle B being equal to this times this gives us x. This times this gives us negative root 2x plus this times this gives us positive root 2x, and this times this gives us negative 2. Alright, so now we have A triangle B giving us x minus 2, and this and that going away to give us 0. Since they said x triangle 2 is equal to 1, we are just going to equate this to 1. So now we have x minus 2 being equal to our 1. And when we move the 2 to this side of the equation, we come and get 1 plus 2, and x is nothing else but the answer 3. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.